If you're using Temu, but only getting basic discounts, or not seeing any free gift offers at all, you're probably missing half the system. Because Temu isn't just about coupon codes. There's a method that combines discounts and free gifts together, and that's where the real value is. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Temu coupon codes the right way and how to unlock the free gift system at the same time. Before we go further, the latest working Temu coupon code and free gift code are on screen right now. You'll also find both in the description and pinned comment along with backup codes in case they change. Part 1. Why most people only get small discounts. Let's start here. Most users do this. Open Temu, add items to cart, apply a coupon code, and that's it. So they only get basic savings. But Temu has more than just checkout discounts. What they're missing. Temu has a promotion system running behind the app. That system can unlock better discounts, show exclusive offers, activate free gift events, but it only works if you enter the right way. The common mistake. If you open Temu, normally start browsing, then try applying a code. You stay in shopping mode and you don't trigger the full system. Part 2. The method that works. Here's what you should do instead. Step 1. Enter through the promotion before opening. Temu. Use the link in the description. This connects you to both coupon and free gift systems. Step 2. Activate the session. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is aligned with the promotion. Step 3. Apply the coupon code early. Enter the coupon code shown on screen first. This connects your account to the active offers. Step 4. Open Temu. Now open the app. You should see better discounts, free gift event, reward interface. Step 5. Follow the system. Now interact with what Temu shows. Offers, tasks, event steps. This is how both savings and rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's keep it real. You can save more than usual. You may unlock free items. System works better when combined. Not every code gives maximum benefit. Some steps take effort. Results can vary. Final takeaway. If you've only been using coupon codes at checkout, you've been missing the real opportunity. Temu works best when you combine correct entry, early code usage, system interaction. Do that, and both savings and rewards start showing up. Try this method now and comment what you got, discount, free gift, or both.